Ow! I'm talking to him as if he's on comms already.
You wanker.
Stupid boy!
Hey!
What are you on? Senna?
Senna, yeah.
That'll be fun. He'll have to piggyback one of us.
Does this go part of the group?
Tally bloody ho!
Yeah.
Well, he ain't going far in that car, is he? Sat in that grey Passat with the front bumper hanging off. I mean, you really want to fuck, I was looking at that swimming pool, you really want a fucking built like me to jump in there and that'll be empty. I'd be careful, Steve, if we do buy toilet roll from that shop there is rumours going round, it's laced with barbed wire. Just go careful when you're wiping your ass. I said this morning, the little shower cubicles in these cabins, you know when you're manoeuvring a fucking 4-seater sofa in round a doorway, that was like me trying to get in the fucking shower.
Yeah, BMW Sis would not be available.
So you drop something in there, you bend over, and then all of a sudden you got a sink wedged in the crack of your ass. Look at that, lad. Beautiful, straight away.
That's gone out. He let me go. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh, I thought you meant looking at the GS's in front.
Fucking hell.
He's off already.
Ron, them fucking goodie bags are spot on, mate.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
they were.
Cheers. I put on that fucking snood. I said, how the fuck you supposed to see where you're going? Some put a Tour de Faff badge right in the way. See, I always fucking say it. I would fucking move up here tomorrow. There's always a downside. My missus wants to come with me. Hey, I got 2 fucking Scottish badges now. I'm 3/4 fucking Jockanese now. Fucking look at that, straight out the park, and you're on some twisties already.
Yeah.
But like you said, Ron, the caravan is just a base, isn't it? It's somewhere to dump your shit. Listen to Nick fucking snoring like an asshole all night.
Never.
I thought, fucking hell, they have got wild boar up here. Yeah. For that money is unbelievable. Good shake, Steve.
No problem. I must say, I didn't
Cap.
I didn't need you to any false pretenses. I said they're shit, but they're cheap.
When is it we go through Ecclefechan? No, not today, but when do we? Can't fucking wait. I can't even fucking wait.
That looks a bit like an indicator notch.
You're clear, 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 clear.
Clear.
So how many of us we got? 9, isn't it? 9 in the group.
All out. That lovely stream of bikes ahead. Thanks for planning the routes, Ron.
Yeah, tis a job.
Well, I'm sure they will be.
Who did the Scottish Sign Language fucking subtitles for them? You realise, Joe, that's going to be months and months worth of piss take for that. Piss takery at its best.
So let's fill you in on a bit of a backstory with this.
Last night, we were discussing the virtues of Steve being a deaf bastard and not knowing what we were saying. Joe then piped in and said he wondered if sign language was different in Scotland. Well, luckily, Joe, I found some Scottish sign language, so you can see the differences.
Listen, we've got a tea break now. What's tea break?
Okay, so that's tea.
Okay.
Tea.
Tea.
And have coffee. Coffee break.
Coffee. Coffee. Yeah.
Coffee.
He has 2 sugars.
2 sugars. I like
Sugars.
So no, I like
Coffee. And 2
2
sugars.
2
Yeah. So
coffee. 2 sugars.
2 sugars. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Great, thank you.
Wait for a caffeine hit. I might have 1 coffee. I might have 2 coffees. Okay.
Yeah.
Eat coffee.
You're gonna.
I can manage 3, 4, 5, 10 coffees.
Says he looks like you're the sort that would do that.
Yeah.
Take
Oh,
it too
'cause
high
I'm
afterwards,
wired,
you know?
right?
Yeah.
She hates coffee.
You just like,
Yeah.
oh, I got 2.
Mm.
Excited.
Imagine if she had more than 1 coffee. Look at her just now, more than 1 coffee.
Yeah, I
She's
just,
wild.
yeah.
Oh yeah, she'd just be completely covered in coffee.
Yeah,
Don't be scared of the police.
no.
Is this the way you guys came in yesterday, was it?
It is, yeah.
I was just thinking to myself, thanking Ron for the routes. Yeah, there's me thanking Ron for the routes, but he's probably taken us around all people that owe him money and we're the debt collecting team.
Yeah.
Oh, they've had a fire.
Lovely round here, isn't it?
Roar. Get off your phone, bitch. Another one on fire, look. Well, they got fucking arsonists live round here.
I think so.
Oh, that'd be a beautiful house, wouldn't it?
Well, it was.
So which camera is your remote doing today, Nige?
Joe's, I think.
Yeah.
That's the only thing, Ron, with these remotes. They will latch onto any fucking camera within the vicinity.
Yeah, we
It's
were
like-
at Tinton Abbey. Nige was trying to set his up, and Steve's camera had the pin code coming up on it.
And then yesterday, I was pressing my button on and off trying to get the 360 to work, and I'm thinking this piece of shit hadn't connected. It had already connected to the 4 on the back, so the 4 was on and off like a fucking tart straws. It's like Steve said yesterday.
Yeah, I had to agree with him, to be fair.
I honestly don't think I could have put it any better.
Is that the Bonnie Blue Bang Bass in front?
Could be.
I just
On
wondering
tour.
wondering what was dripping out the bottom.
It's either that or the ice cream's defrosted.
They'll think it's the Black Widows pulling into town, won't they?
Your top box is open, Nige.
Fuck off.
No, it is.
You took your
Really?
time, Nick.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake. That's because I got my, when we go up into the -12 territory, up one lockhead, I doubt it'll clip down.
No, it won't.
I'll have to pull over and fucking do it. Fuck's sake. You keep going, I'll catch up.
Any excuse for a play, innit?
Yeah.
I'll pull over.
Oh, I can see what it is. It's locked on one side.
That's because there's so much in there, I think. Got half of Steve's gear in there, I think. White van coming.
I wonder where my underpants were this morning.
Keep going, Ron.
Yeah, well, inevitably get split up through here, won't we?
Yes.
Come on out, I'll hold the road up.
It'll probably pop open again because there's. You got much room in your top box, Steve?
Yes, mate. I made room especially.
I didn't notice that it was open until then. But then that don't mean nothing.
Maybe I ought to buy an NC750, then I can have all the panniers and top box for me, and at the front for Nigel's stuff.
Yeah, for his soiled laundry.
Oh, definitely.
Hello. You in, Steve?
Yeah, I'm in. You take some Mickey out my sofa, but it makes a great roadblock when you want to pull out.
We haven't had the Chinales on. We haven't been blinded, every bastard. My, aren't you erect? That's fucking good, I like that. Sounds fucking lovely. yeah, but I had trouble seeing what the signals were. It was fucking not very fluent. Look at the information box on Stegra screen. On the where to go at the next roundabout, they've highlighted that in yellow now. Second exit.
Done what?
9
In
point.
your information box where it says 8.9 miles the roundabout, the yellow bit where it says second exit.
What yellow bit?
Oh,
That's your fucking phone, that is.
You got the cunt version, haven't you? You got the peasants version.
I've got to take the second exit, but it's all in white.
Yeah.
You're obviously not a fully paid up member.
No, that's your fucking shitty phone screen.
Oh no, it's a reflection of Steve's fucking headlight.
Here we go. I'm wondering how long it's going to take before I got shit ripped out of me again.
So where's the doofer? Oh, we're going up in there then. The Farmer's Arms.
Farmer's Arms, yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is where Nick normally squeezes right in here.
Yeah, pretty fair.
Mind that car on your right, Alex. Right, let's group together, shall we? I think we're all together. You at the back, Steve?
Has he got his ears on?
I have now, yeah.
I doubt it. I doubt it.
I wish I hadn't, but...
Where be that Somerset? I know where he be. He be on that piece of shit right in front of me.
Nige, why do you look like somebody I hate?
If you need me to decipher anything this tosser says, Al, just let me know. Because he speaks with a Somerset tongue, he just like whines and fucking dribbles all day.
Hark at E with a fucking plum in his mouth. Yeah, you're lucky it wasn't Steve's plums last night.
I think I need to record Tom so people can work out and realise what I've got to bloody put up with.
It's like some of them bloody villages down our way, and it's some of the names.
Oh, yeah.
And then you say it, and the locals will say, no, no, you pronounce it like this. Well, why not fucking spell it like that, then, you stupid twat?
Yeah. Apart from Shitterton, that's pretty easy.
Shitterton, yeah. Yeah, no mistake in that one.
Is this the castle then, is it? The entrance to it?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a bouncy castle,
Oh,
Steve.
good.
Fucking hell. They're going to shut up shop when they see you pull up.
Just. You can imagine the advert, though, for me as a bouncy castle, can you? This fucker won't blow away in the wind.
No. But it's the only one who answers back. Get off your... Get off your...
Be good for a thumbnail.
Yeah, how's that for a view?
They might.
Well, it's been 5 minutes. I could do with another coffee.
Well, let's hope they fucking deliver. That looks like it might have a few stairs in there.
Yeah, that's right. Nigel will go in and tell him he knows all about chandeliers.
One more turn, Dill. Right. Now brace yourself, Rodney. Brace yourself.
They shut the door, look. They saw us coming and shut the bloody door. Nick, go over there and kick her crutch. Tell me when you're going to lean and I'll come with you.
I'm going.
Synchronised bike leaning.
I might just let the fucking video run and get a thumbnail off of that.
All right.
Nice.
Ah. So we got him to blame for no biting, no scratching, no eye gouging. Take all the fun out of the fucking game, don't they?